अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आप सबको रमज़ान मुबारक. Today we are going to start the exercise of the naming of cat, because previously we have read about the activity, all the vocabulary and the translation we have learned, and today we are going to solve the exercise of this uh, poem from book. The first one question we are going to solve is answer the following question with reference to the context. This is on page number 41. All of them sensible everyday names. This line is given, and according to this line some questions are given to you and you have to give the answers of these questions. What are some of these names? If you have read the poem very clearly, very sensibly, you will come to know that the first one names given, the sensible names are given to you: Augustus, Elizondo, James, Peter, Victor, etc. When are these names used? These names are used daily. Are there any other names by which a cat might be called? How are they different from these names? A cat might have particular name. The name with only will only be known by the cat it belongs to. The next one reference is given, B part. But above and beyond, there's still one name left over. Above and beyond what? Above and beyond the everyday name and particular name. What is the name left over? The cat itself knows that name left over. How does a cat show it is thinking about this name? By being in profound meditation. A cat shows it is thinking about this name by being in profound meditation. The next one part is given here. Similar words. What is the difference between the words given in each group below? Here some words are given here like hard, difficult, unmanageable, demanding. These all word in our group is near about the same meanings, but a little bit the uses of these words are a little bit different. You will use these words in sentences of your own so that you can clearly understand the difference between these words and the meaning of these words. So you have to do this as your homework. Now here is a heading of simile. What is a simile? When we compare two things by using the words like or as, it is known as simile. A simile is a form of comparison. When we compare some things with some other thing, like if a woman has a very beautiful son, he said that my son is just like the moon. So when we compare anything with the other thing by using the word like or as, we can say that these are the similes. Now look at page number 42. Here an exercise is given. Number 1. Complete the following sentences with colorful similes of your own. A part. The sound of the birds from the trees in the valley was as clear as. Actually, you have to use your own simile. So you can the sound of the birds from the trees in the valley was as clear as crystal. The man arrested by the policeman was as ugly as frog. You can use your own simile also, because they have given you that you have to use colorful similes of your own. The telegraph wires buzzed like bees. Buzzing is compared with bees, so we have used this one. Smear kicked the ball as straight as an arrow. You know that arrow goes straight whenever you use that with the bow. So we use the simile for ball as straight as an arrow. The big ship steamed into the harbor as smoothly as silk. The wind howled through the trees like frightened child, or you can use the other one like frightened wolves. The startling news spread through the town like smoke or like fire. You know that both these things spread very quickly. So the startling news spread like fire or like smoke. During the curfew, the streets were as quiet as lamb, or as grave, or as owl. You can use these words because you know that grave is always there is a quietness. Lamb is an animal which is very humble and which didn't bleat very much. So you can use this simile for streets during curfew. Similes and metaphors are actually the figurative language. These are used to make our language more figurative, more colorful. So, next one heading is metaphors. The comparison between the two is that you just have read about the similes. When we say that something is like something else, we are using similes. When we make a comparison, we sometimes do not say that something is like another thing, but it is that other thing. In our daily conversation, we use many comparisons of this kind. For example, we might say, my friend will never give in, he has an iron will. We use the word iron here. We sometimes call a camel, but to describe the person's will, but we know that his will is not really made of iron. It is as hard as iron is. We sometimes call a camel the sheep of the desert. We know that although a desert is not a sea, there are some similarities between the desert is lonely and flat, and so is the sea is. We therefore compare a camel to a ship on the sea. So these are type of comparisons are called metaphors. We can say that something is something. We are said to be used a metaphor here. For example, the literal use of the word and the metaphorical use of the word. Literal meaning, which is a dictionary gives us the meaning, and the metaphorical meaning, which we make the comparison of that thing. So here is an exercise given that use the following words in sentences of your own. Write two sentences for each word, using each word literally and metaphorically. We have to use these words literally as well as metaphorically. Now look at the solution of these sentences. The first one is root. Roots, you know that roots of this tree go deep. But the metaphorical use of this one is ignorance is the root of all our problems. You know that a tree has roots. The literal meaning of that one is, but we have used metaphorically that ignorance is the root of all our problems. So parent look after their children with love and care. But when we use it metaphorically, we can say that the parent company decided to open new branches. Arms. His arms are very muscular. Arms race between India and Pakistan. Here the meaning of जंगी रेस जो है, हथियारों की जंग जो है, arms race between India and Pakistan should be stopped. Bed. This bed squeaks a lot. The gardener was watering flower beds. Cage. The tiger was kept in a large cage. The metaphorical use of the word cage, we should break down the cage of poverty. Star. The stars seem brighter tonight. And the metaphorical use, Ali is the star of our football team. Doctor. The doctor gave the patient an injection. Its metaphorical use, he is the doctor of ailing automobiles. Now look at the part number 2. Give metaphorical uses of the words in italics. Here are some words given there. A man's body, like the literal use of the body, or other examples of this one. A body of man, a body of water, a body of information, heavenly bodies, etc. So are other words given: a man's neck, a neck of bottle, a neck of an animal, a soft pillow, soft feathers, soft skin, soft silk, a man's back, chair's back of the house, a man's heart, heart of country, heart of animal, the branches of the tree, branches of the company, branches of school, branches of banks. So this is the exercise you have solved of the naming of cats. I hope so you can clearly understand all this and you will learn it very well. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.